Hi everyone and welcome in this new video tutorial. I'm Aryan and today we're going to fix the not secure website. This is very common when you have a new website and you're using WordPress, for example, and now we are going in a few seconds to fix this issue. The first thing is to check your hosting company. In my SiteGround account, for example, I have my website, in this case is this one, and here I can install the Let's Encrypt SSL. So this actually means that he will add, a secure system to your website, and as you can see, I have the name of my website, the certificate, and the status is active. Once you checked this, and you make sure that you have your SSL active, you need to go on WordPress, and now we should log in our WordPress account and change some settings. Great! Once you are in your WordPress panel, just click on Settings and General. Once you're here, you need to be sure that here in HTTP should be an S at the end, like this and like this. Now, make sure you have this set up in this way, and now we can save it. Save changes, you will automatically be logged out. And if I just remove this, as you can see now my website is secure. So I will also leave in the description a link to get SiteGround for your websites, and of course I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye!